At first, I was skeptical. Dyson's marketing often promises revolutionary tech, but in daily life, you just want something that picks up dirt fast and doesn't feel like a chore to use. After living with it through weekly deep cleans, pet hair battles, and those quick after-dinner crumb sweeps, I came away both impressed and occasionally frustrated. The laser dust detection really surprised me, not just as a gimmick, but as a genuinely useful tool. Still, this is a premium vacuum with a premium price, and that means expectations are high. Design and build quality. The V15 Detect Plus feels solid and well-balanced once you get used to its shape. Dyson sticks with its familiar stick format, but the handle and trigger setup feel more refined this time. It's mostly made from high-grade plastic, yet nothing feels flimsy. The click-in connections are satisfying, and the attachments lock with a clean snap. The build is lightweight enough for one-handed cleaning, though after 20 minutes, the top-heavy design can feel tiring if you're doing ceiling corners or long stretches of stairs. Compared to competitors like Shark's Strato series, the Dyson feels more premium in the hand, though Shark's designs are sometimes more ergonomic. Still, the V15's modular setup and sleek aesthetic look right at home in a modern apartment or a tech-filled house. Key features in action. The laser dust detection is easily the headline feature. At first, I rolled my eyes. A green laser to reveal hidden dust felt like a party trick. Then I actually used it on my hardwood floors, and it changed the way I clean. The laser highlights fine dust and pet hair you wouldn't see under normal light. It's oddly satisfying, almost addictive, to chase down glowing specks until the floor looks spotless. You quickly realize how much dirt you were missing before. The second feature that stood out is the built-in piezo sensor. This little detail quietly counts and measures the dust particles you pick up, adjusting suction power automatically. It sounds over the top, but in practice, it means you don't have to think about switching modes. When I vacuum rugs or thick carpets, the V15 ramps up power immediately. Then, when I move back to tile, it dials back to save battery. It's smooth and genuinely useful. The third key feature is the anti-tangle hair screw tool. I've got a long-haired pet, and this is the first mini tool I've used that doesn't jam or wrap strands around the brush. I tested it on a couch that usually takes multiple passes with my old Dyson V8. This time, it cleared everything in one go. It's smaller than the main head, but perfect for stairs, upholstery, or car seats. Learning to swap tools mid-session takes a few days to become second nature, but once you build the habit, you'll use them often. Performance and daily reality. In everyday cleaning, the V15 Detect Plus delivers power you can feel. Suction is strong enough to lift embedded dirt from carpets and fine dust from crevices. On hard floors, the laser head paired with the slim roller gives an almost polished finish. I've used cheaper cordless vacuums before, but none match the way the V15 transitions seamlessly between surfaces. Battery life averages around 60 minutes on auto mode, which is enough for a medium-sized home if you work efficiently. In tougher scenarios, like a thick rug full of dog hair, it doesn't struggle, though you'll hear the motor surge and battery drain faster. Emptying the bin is simple and mess-free compared to older Dyson designs. However, the trigger-style power switch still bugs me. Holding it down constantly isn't ideal during long sessions. Some competitors have solved this with a power toggle, which I wish Dyson would finally adopt. Limitations and trade-offs. No product is perfect, and the V15 Detect Plus has its share of trade-offs. It's expensive, and while the features justify some of that cost, it's still a tough sell for smaller homes or casual cleaners. The top-heavy weight can wear out your wrist on longer jobs. And while the laser head is great on hard floors, it doesn't work on carpets. You'll need to switch heads, which breaks the flow a bit. Lastly, the trigger power design might frustrate users with arthritis or wrist issues. Final verdict. Buy this if you want one of the most intelligent, thorough cordless vacuums available today. It's ideal for homes with pets, mixed flooring, or anyone who enjoys seeing exactly what they're cleaning. Skip this if you prefer a lightweight grab-and-go vacuum, or if switching attachments feels like a hassle. The Dyson V15 Detect Plus earns its price with performance and clever engineering, but it shines brightest for those who treat cleaning as a weekly ritual, not a rushed chore.